So I was going to do this over the weekend, but then I didn't do any work. So anyway, so how to cross list, just kind of a crash course. I added everybody to this common planning copy that I made so I could keep up with all the stuff that I was doing. So if it's highlighted right here, I've cross-listed these. So if their name is highlighted green, I've cross-listed them. So all of this first team in third grade is done. So I'm on Ira Thomas now. So all you do is go to the admin button in Canvas and then Georgia Cyber. And I'm going to select people and just type in Ira. And there he is. I'm going to act as Ira. And then go to proceed. So I have the blue box that shows me I'm acting as Ira. And the good thing is, district hasn't taken away the ability to cross list for teachers. So we don't have to like stop acting as him and look up all courses individually. So that's good. Homeroom doesn't need to be cross-listed, and we're only going to cross-list first semester. So here we have first semester, first semester, first semester, first semester, and then first semester. So all these I'm going to leave alone for right now. So I just go to the first one, and I'm going to grab this number right here and just copy it. That's going to be my mama course. So then I'll go back to his dashboard. And then I'm going to click on the second one, and I'm going to go all the way down to settings. And then I'm going to go to sections. I'm going to click on the section. And I'm just going to say cross list this section, and I'm going to enter that course that I copied, the course number, and then you just cross list it. And then I'm going to go back to his dashboard. Remember, this is the mama one, so I'm going to go to the next one. And I'm going to go all the way down to settings. And do the same thing 4 other times. And I should only have one more. So here's the mama course. I should only have one more. Okay, so they're all cross-listed. I'm going to mark his name off. And then we're also going to have to check and make sure, so this is the fun part. So here is the cross-listed sections, all under this mama course. If I go back, we're going to go to sections and see that we have 5 sections. And if you click on them, we'll have to go to edit section, and we're going to have to do all this because it's not done yet. So that'll be a fun thing. You can do it when you're cross-listing or after you've cross-listed and just go back into every teacher's course. So the thing we're going to have to do is I think they said we're going to leave it open or open it at the 29th. And then you'll have to put the time. So this is check. First period. Okay, so you can see that. And we're going to do first period starts at 8:25, right? Let me make sure. Yes, so 8:25 to 9:10. 8:25 a.m. Okay, and then we're going to go, I think, one extra day so we don't have that problem with everything falling off when it's not so like before it's supposed to. So let me look up my calendar really quick. Hang on, okay, so the 15th is the teacher workday. So we're going to set the end date as December. Let's see. Well, let's just do it this way so we can have the correct information. We're going to go to December 15th because that's a teacher workday, and then it ends at 9:10 a.m. Okay. And then you update section. And okay, so this right here, make sure this box isn't checked. That is the blue check of death, and it will not populate. Like the stuff will not populate. So just update section there, and then go back to your settings. Okay, and then go to section, the next section. So period 2, we're going to go to edit section. We're doing this as July 29th, and this is again so that we can know that we can know on that Friday that our links are going to work on Monday. So that's what we're doing that for. This is second period, so 9:20 to 10:05. I'm going to put 9:20 a.m. And again, December 15th, 10:05 a.m. And then just keep doing that until I have all of the settings set correctly so the links will populate. So that's fun. I didn't realize that none of the sections had times on them. So we'll have to do all of this, and then hopefully everything will be good, and we'll know by Friday if it's not. Also, I think we should probably cross-list all the sections first so that we can work on the teachers can then work in their courses. So we'll cross-list all sections first, and then we'll fix the time on them, if that makes any sense. Let me know if you have any questions.